Are you gonna lie to the world again, saying the war has just ended? Behind those doors and those people, you say to me, to end this war we just need peace and harmony. We can save lives times a million, but what we're doing kills a billion. Create a new civilization. With this action we shall sing out all the melodies, the harmonies. Everybody can do this, it's easy to change the world. All we need is peace and harmony. Our new generation takes society one by one unnecessarily. All the ethnic groups are erased, but I still stand here in my place,